Hi, this is Not. It's a desktop app we built to help people manage knowledge that needs to be shared with both teams and AI agents. Before I show you the product, there's one important idea behind it. Google introduced the Open Knowledge Format, or OKF. It represents knowledge using normal Markdown files, YAML metadata, and links between concepts, so the knowledge stays readable. You can version it with Git, move it between tools, and use it with different AI models. That gives us a great open foundation, but a folder by itself doesn't tell us who should see something. It doesn't remember which version we shared, and it doesn't protect the source when an AI agent wants to make a change. That's the layer Knot adds. To make this concrete, I'm using Project Atlas. It's a sample product launch workspace inside Knot. The app opens the OKF folder directly without importing it into another database. It checks whether the knowledge is valid, makes everything searchable, and turns the links between concepts into this graph. Let's say I'm working on a launch decision. Some of it is safe to share, but the pricing details are still internal. Right here, while I'm creating the knowledge, I can decide whether it stays private, goes to a specific audience, or becomes public. Not only includes the concepts I select, the original markdown stays clean and portable. Now suppose new customer research changes our activation target. This is where Not becomes really useful. It remembers that Maya and the leadership team received an earlier version. When the knowledge changes, Not tells me exactly who may now be out of date. I can review the change and send them a new version, or I can decide that this update should remain private. Not never reshares it silently. It also keeps a history, so I can see what was shared when it happened. If access is revoked later, that is recorded too. Knowledge can become outdated because the outside world changes as well. WebWatch follows a focused public topic and brings back relevant updates with their sources. Here, it found a change that could affect our launch. I can ignore it, prepare it using a fixed workflow, or ask AI to help draft the update. But AI never writes directly into our knowledge base. It creates a proposal first. I can inspect the result, make sure the source supports it, and then approve or reject it. Once I approve it, that knowledge is also available through MCP. An AI agent can search the information it has permission to see. It can open a concept and follow its connections. If it wants to change something, it has to submit another proposal for human review. When we are ready to share, we have a few choices. We can create a portable OKF package, publish through a synced cloud folder, or run the portal on our own infrastructure. We can also create an on-demand share with Daytona. Human links can be revoked individually, and agents use separate credentials. Not Assist works through the local Codex app server using the user's existing subscription. Here, I'm asking it to review one decision for privacy risks. It only receives the concept I selected. The session is read-only, has no network access, and cannot change anything automatically. We also used Codex and GPT 5.6 throughout the build. They helped us understand the OKF and MCP specifications, question our security decisions, and test how the real integrations behave. We then used Playwright to simulate different users collaborating, sharing updates, handling failures, and working across platforms. So that's Not. The knowledge stays open and belongs to the user. Not simply adds the control needed to keep it current, share it safely, and make it genuinely usable and useful to both people and AI. Thank you.